Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Voyager. The Chrysler Group manufactured the Plymouth Voyager. It was renamed the Chrysler Voyager from 2001 to 2003. The Voyager minivan is a short wheelbase model to give decent maneuverability in a minivan platform. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic parking brake, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control. Come take a test drive today.